Why does your scanner show the P246C engine code? What does it mean? P246C is a diagnostic trouble code for diesel particulate filter restriction, forced limited power, Bank 1. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's computer has detected a blockage or excessive soot accumulation in the DPF, which has triggered a limp mode or limited power output to protect the engine and exhaust system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: DPF issues, engine problems, driving habits, other factors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Chevrolet, and Ram. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.